Well, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Automotive Insight. Today we have a 1999 Ford F-150 with the 4.2 liter V6. Customer request that we do some scheduled maintenance on it, and that would be spark plugs and wires. So let's get to it. So you can do the spark plugs from up top if you want to, but you actually have pretty good access through the fender wells. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this tire off, and I'm going to actually take this fender well out just to show you. You can kind of reach in there behind the fender well. That's what I'm going to do on the other side, but we're going to take this off just to kind of show you how accessible the plugs are from here. But anyway, let's get this tire off. They're 19s. So with the fender liner removed, there's full access to bank 2 over here. Like I said, you don't have to take this off. You can just kind of pull this thing back, but for the sake of filming, we took this off. If you want to take it off, it's a couple of 5.5 millimeter screws and then just some Christmas tree clips. But anyway, let's start getting the plug wires off. All right, the plugs are just your standard 5/8 spark plug socket. So before we go on with our new plugs, it's always a good idea to throw a little bit of anti-seize on them. A company called Steel Camel actually reached out to us and gave us some anti-seize. This stuff's good for electrical terminals and stuff too. They got a pretty nifty marketing scheme. They have a very similar sense of humor to us, so check them out. They got a lot of different corrosion products for you. So with the plugs done, we'll go ahead and get working on the wires. I always do the hardest side first. That appears to be this passenger side here. So I'm going to try to kind of take them out in a group of 3 because they're looms that are together already. So they're on these studs that are in the valve covers. All right, so we got everything transferred over. We'll go ahead and get this thing routed back. Well, that's all there is to this one. When it comes to doing the spark plug wires, you can do them one at a time if you want to, and that way you know that you'll be on the coil packs right. The only drawback to doing it that way is that you'll never get the looms and the spark plug wires looking as nice as they did to begin with. So on the driver side, the 5 and 6, they were a little wonky, and we actually had them backwards to begin with. I'll throw a picture up of the coil packs and the cylinders to let you know exactly which ones go where. We had those two swap backwards. They're basically the same length. I just had it routed the wrong way, but I got that straightened back out. So parts and labor breakdown was we used Motorcraft plugs and wires. They were about $120. And labor only called for an hour. So whatever your labor rate is times an hour, give you the total. Anyway, guys, that's going to wrap this one up for today. Hopefully you earned a thumbs up from you. Let us know what you think down in the comment section. We have new content for you every single week, so consider subscribing to the channel. And with all that being said, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. I'll pick you up at 8. You probably won't be awake. Call yourself an Uber, babe. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait.
Professional looking job there.
Thank you. I am a professional.
Yeah.